Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. So y'all, this is how I'm starting out this vlog. Look at this. This is my watermelon cantaloupe patch. Oh my goodness, y'all, it's melons all throughout here. I don't have on my boots, so I'm trying to look in between real quick so I can show. Oh, I see some right here, right there. Y'all see it? See if I can draw y'all in. Look, that's a melon right there. Let me see if I stand here. I don't want no snakes to be in here or nothing, and I don't see it because it's been so hot. And they all love this area. I need my boots on. Oh, it's a watermelon right through there. It's a watermelon. Y'all see it? I'm gonna have to go around to the other side. And look, let's go around over here so I can show y'all. I may just have to go in and get my boots and put them on. Here you go, right here, y'all. I came up here. Y'all see the watermelon? Yes. I need to get over there and look at that cantaloupe that was over there to see what it's looking like. Look at this, y'all. See if y'all can see them. Them some big cantaloupes. Let's see. Y'all see? 1, 2. I think them my cantaloupes are honeydews. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. And I got so many little ones coming. Look at that. It's melons all in there. Look, oh, look. I got melons everywhere, y'all. Oh my goodness. And they just done took over. You hear me? Just done took over this whole area. This whole area, y'all. Y'all, look how massive this fig tree done got. Look at this. This is one fig tree. Oh, mosquitoes. I ain't gonna be out here much longer. I ain't got nothing out here. It was all on me. My bad, y'all. Look how big this fig tree. That's one fig tree, y'all. One. Whoo, I can't wait to do the tour because it is ridiculous. It really is, but I love it. Okay, y'all, so we're not at home, so we had to eat before it got late. And they got pizza. I was gonna eat some Little Caesar pizza. It's just cheese pizza, but I know it'd be greasy, and with me not having a gallbladder, I have to be mindful that I'm not at home. And anything greasy that I haven't tried, I don't want that to bother me. So I have a Chipotle bowl with just rice, chicken, and cheese. So the way they do at Chipotle, they have the utensils all out, and people be picking them up and all that. So I don't do that. So I ain't got no utensils. So what do? Back home, when we eat like cornbread, well, some of us, I don't know if everybody, but most people, everybody I know, we eat like cornbread, greens and cornbread, and so we eat that with our hands. Okay. So I was like, I ain't worried about no utensils. Ain't nobody gotta go buy none. I know what I got hands for. Long my hands is clean. Y'all tell me. The kids laughing at me. Y'all, if you, all my Mississippi people, can y'all relate? Can y'all relate? I just have chicken and rice and a little bit of shredded cheese on here. I'm keeping it simple. And yes, chicken, poly pescatarians. I ain't eat chicken. So I know some people gonna be like, ugh, she eating with her hand. That's what we supposed to do. And keeping it real. I'd rather clean my hands, even my hands, than eat with some utensils that's this small. I normally used to have a Ziploc bag that I would keep in my bag that had utensils and stuff in it. But I need to redo that. But normally I would bring extra napkins and stuff like that. I don't have it in my bag, so. Definitely have to do that. But yeah, this is so good. Even though I'm hungry, I know it's bland. But that's fine. It got a little seasoning, but not a lot of salt. And that's it. Yeah. Let me go ahead and finish eating. Let me tell you, even my hands, I enjoy my food even better. I don't know what it is, but I do. Alright y'all, so a couple days done passed. So today is July 14th, y'all. And I went to Krispy Kreme and got the 86-cent dozen donuts. But you gotta buy one at regular price and get the other dozen for 86 cents. But like I said, today is July 14th and it's only today. But I already did a live stream and told y'all that earlier. So hey, by the time y'all see this video, it'll probably be the next day. But I did go to Food Line too, so those of you that was in that live stream probably saw, but I'm gonna go ahead and show everybody else that wasn't in that live stream what we end up getting at Food Line, y'all. Alright, let's start right here with these marked down items that's gonna go in the emergency food pantry. Yes. So these chunky Campbell's chunky soups right here, I thought both of them was chicken and sausage gumbo, but one ended up being roasted chicken with country vegetables, which is fine. It was marked down $1, was $1.67 or $1.22 or something like that, but still was good from almost $4. Then a lot of these right here was marked down like 62 cents and 79 cents. So it just got different soups or whatnot. You got these power bowls over here, spicy chickpea soup. They was all 62 cents each. Cajun style chicken, veggie chili. So yeah, got those. They're gonna go in the emergency pantry. Then I told y'all I like these right here. Okay, these is good snacks. There was $1.67. This one right here $1.66. See how they be doing. Then I got some strawberries. I needed some more Greek yogurt plain. Got some whole milk cottage cheese. Got some pineapples to go with that cottage cheese, y'all. Some crushed pineapples. This we didn't pick up today. It was picked up last night at Food Line. They got the ziti pasta was marked down 22 cents. The ziti and the rotini pasta was marked down 22 cents, y'all. 22 cents. So Oronde ended up grabbing these because he the one that went in the store. He ended up grabbing those because I know I would have got them for 22 cents, y'all. What did get today, I got 2 things of lettuce. Some parsley is off in there right there. I got 1 grapefruit. I got some Minute Maid peach punch because that is life, okay? So yeah. So now I'm about to give these kids, watch me, these right here, okay? So like I said, I got the assorted ones. So you get one. I probably paid $14. I paid $14 and something. So I probably paid for the assorted ones. And then you get, I'm pretty sure they gave me the glazed one for the 86 cents. Y'all know how they be doing. Y'all know how they be doing. I should have got 2 glazed ones and see how much it was gonna be. Was it gonna be less? Okay. But yeah, but the kids, we're gonna enjoy these. Like I said, if they don't agree with me, still the kids gonna enjoy it, okay? The kids on the run, they'll enjoy it, you know. But I am about to get one too. Y'all come in here. Come in. Ooh. Yeah. All right, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I did not expect to find those finds at Food Line, but I'm glad I did. So now I am just doing a little bit of cleaning. Did some organizing, cleaned out the cabinets. I did not film that. I had to clean out one of the refrigerators, and now I'm just doing the extra stuff. I loaded the dishwasher and all that type of stuff. So get some cleaning done right here in this area.
Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, send me to you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, send me to you. Hey, where you at, where'd you
I have been meaning to do this for the longest. Y'all finally getting it done. So I'm just adding water to some ice trays so I can get them in the freezer, y'all.
honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at, where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day.
Yep, I'm trying to put everything I can in mason jars because they are just so easy to store stuff in. So right here I am putting my brown sugar, y'all, in my mason jar so I can make sure there's no ants or anything like that, you know, getting at it. And it's just easier for when I'm cooking. I can just grab it when I need it.
It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, send me to you. Yeah. Oh.
Right here, y'all, I'm doing the same thing for my pink Himalayan salt. So I got these bags of pink Himalayan salt from Dollar Tree. So if y'all watched that vlog, y'all would have saw me get that a little bit ago from Dollar Tree. So I said, let me go ahead and fill up my mason jar with that too. So y'all, if y'all ain't got you no funnel when you filling up your mason jars, get y'all a funnel because it helps a lot. Alright, y'all, so right here I decided to go ahead and fix some overnight oats. I ended up having to add 2 more jars to the 6 that I got. But yeah, so all you're gonna need to make your overnight oats, you can put whatever you want in it, but you need a half a cup of oats, a half a cup of milk of your choice, and a little bit of Greek yogurt or whatever yogurt you want to use. I use Greek yogurt for those, and then you can put whatever fruit you want to put in. I prefer that you put your nuts and stuff on top once you get ready to eat it, you know, the next morning, afternoon, or whatever. But in like 2 to 4 hours they ready, but I make them and let them sit overnight. So I did 2 days worth in here. Alright, y'all, so I have been trying to figure out which one that I wanted to do, and I'm going to do pineapple. So these all going to be pineapple overnight oats, so they should be really, really, really good, y'all. So right here, I'm just adding the rest of my pineapples into a mason jar because I love mason jars as storage containers. Alright y'all, so that is the end of this vlog, but definitely not the end of my work for today. So I am going to pick up a little bit later and start another vlog. I know y'all have things y'all gotta do and stuff like that, so I don't be wanting to have my videos extremely long, even though some of them end up being long. I'm out of breath, y'all, from doing that little thing. I had my African music in my ear and I was like, get down. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this. I'm back on track now. So this was a couple days had went by, and then I was able to pick up the camera today. So I'm trying to stay on track now, if it's God's will. So yeah, I got a lot of work to do. I got a lot of work to do, and I'm gonna try to film as much of it for y'all because I want it to be inspiring and motivational and all that good stuff. So with that being said, let me end this right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified each and every time that your girl upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's Jehovah's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Until next time, bye.